Well, guess what? We have planned a full renewal wedding for you after the show. Okay? Because we've got a new wedding dress for you, Shelley. And Joe, we have a tuxedo for you. And that's compliments of Men's Warehouse. We're going to have it all. And last but not least, what would a wedding be without a complete honeymoon? So our friends over at Caravan Tours have provided you with a 10-day adventure in sunny, beautiful Costa Rica.